So, you might have heard the claims that solar can save you money, or it's free, and maybe you're skeptical. Trust me, I get it. It's not your fault. For decades, solar has been really expensive, and for that to change suddenly seems suspicious. However, if you stick with us to the end of this video, we'll explain everything you've been hearing about solar, and why it might be the best, most cost-effective, safe, reliable, and inexpensive way to get your energy today. You see, the biggest thing to wrap your head around is solar is a technology, not a fuel. And like all technologies, it gets cheaper to produce and less expensive every year. 5 to 10% reductions each year may not sound like a lot, but over a decade or two, they are huge. This is exactly what happened to solar. The fact is, renewable energy was the largest source of new electricity generation in 2015. Beating fossil fuels for the first time in history. That's because renewable energy is now cheaper to produce for 70% of the US population. And what's better, smart companies have created innovative financing options so you don't have to come up with any cash up front. Instead of paying tens of thousands for equipment, you can get zero down financing and pay for the electricity just like your electric bill. The solar company will make that money back over time as you pay your new bill every month. So, what's the catch? There really isn't one. But if you consider signing a contract a catch, that's it. In order to get zero down solar, you sign a long-term contract to buy power. Now, some people might think, whoa, I don't want to sign a contract. The thought scares them. But let me ask you a question. How long have you been in an agreement with your current utility company? Forever, right? Have you ever had a choice how much you pay and who you buy power from, and whether that power is dirty or clean? The truth is, you're locked into a lifelong, expensive contract right now to buy dirty power, and you've never even had a choice. Until now, that is. With solar, you get to compare the rate you pay for your electricity and choose a cheaper option. Plus, you can choose to buy clean energy and do your part for our future generations. You're gonna buy energy no matter what. Why not buy it from a cheaper, cleaner source? So who do you trust? In a world with thousands of solar companies that will be competing to get your business, it's important you choose a provider that will last. Going solar is a long-term relationship. If you need help years from now, you need to know the company is in business and has a track record of caring for their customers. That's why we chose SolarCity, the #1 solar provider in America, serving over 300,000 happy customers. To date, SolarCity has saved their customers over $173,582,628 on electricity bills, and that number is climbing every day. Look, solar is our future. It's a clean source of energy our environment desperately needs. And now, it's cheaper than fossil fuels. Everyone's going to be switching to solar energy. The only question is when, and how much money do you want to burn buying dirty power in the meantime? Let's make today the day you get your free proposal from SolarCity. The entire process takes just a few minutes, and in that few minutes, you may discover how to save 10 to 30% or more off your electricity bill forever. Now that's a positive ROI for you and our planet. Get started by entering your zip code to determine if you're in a SolarCity service territory. Then have a quick chat with one of our energy advisors, and in minutes, we can have a fully customized proposal to you. There's never been a better time to take action and get your free quote than today.